Rapid7 is a global cybersecurity company that focuses on helping customers command their attack surface. We were looking for ways to improve our customer experience and improve efficiency through our frontline support teams. The Ask AI solution helped us solve our customer problems faster. Ask AI is built on top of Google Cloud and leverages Gemini models across multiple use cases. We have full confidence in Ask AI's scalability and security as it runs on Google's infrastructure. We've seen some great results so far from our use of Ask AI. We've seen a 30% decrease in case handling time, which has resulted in a much better customer experience. We've had a 35% increase in agent capacity, which has allowed us to shift our resources to focus on our more complex customer challenges. Our junior engineers had access to more information at their fingertips so that they could solve the less complex issues very efficiently and effectively. My favorite aspect of working with Google and Ask AI is the breadth of use cases the platform solves for. We initially started with technical support, but quickly learned the benefits of leveraging Ask AI across our customer success and sales engineering functions as well. Cybersecurity is a highly technical discipline. Ask AI puts the technical information in the fingertips of our customer-facing resources, allowing us to deliver customer outcomes at lightning speed. I'm excited about expanding our use of the Ask AI platform for additional use cases within Rapid7. We see plenty of opportunity where it's going to help us streamline our customer interactions and make us more efficient and effective.